Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings. In this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned.
Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira.
The shoes, the shirts, the skirts, the hats. You give her the work, she gon' send it right back. You know she do a thing with the DIY. And if you looking for the best, it's Miaira time.
Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira. Make it work, Miaira, make it work, Miaira.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? So I was sitting down thinking, okay, what can I do for Valentine's Day? What can I do for February, for love? And flowers immediately popped into my mind. This is initially the vibe that I thought I was gonna go for, but when I started putting the materials together and all the pieces together, I was like, I want this thing to be a little bit more flowy, a little longer, a little bit more like a gown. So that's what we're about to do. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I got 2 yards of this sheer fabric. Basically, I just folded this piece of fabric in half and I'm wrapping it around my waist to make a skirt portion of this gown, okay? I want it to be long and flowy all the way, full length. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the slit. Okay, you can't be a good, classy slit, you just can't. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these white Velcro dots for the attachment for the skirt portion, that sheer fabric. It'll be really easy. I'll have it connect at the hip. So the skirt attachment is on, that fabric attachment. We got the slit, and here we go. I'm gonna take this tool now and I'm going to add 1 layer of this on top of that sheer fabric that I just added, because this is a little bit more transparent than the sheer, so you'll be able to see the flowers through them. For all the materials that I'm using today, just scroll down to that description box and everything will be linked and provided. The tool is cut. Child, this thing looking good. Now to add a little bit more drama, I'm going to make this off the shoulder. So I'm just going to pull the straps down like that so I can sew this and it won't be as awkward. Okay, so off the shoulder straps are complete. I thought about hand stitching all of the flowers individually onto the dress, but your girl ain't got that kind of time. So we're gonna glue these bad boys onto the dress. I'm gonna position them where I think that they will look really, really beautiful. Glue them right on, then we don't have to wait for anything, and we're gonna save some time, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Let's do it. I'm only gonna be gluing the flowers onto the beige sheer fabric, not the top layer, because that's gonna lay on top of the flowers. It's really gonna give it some depth. Make sure you put some piece of plastic or paper or cardboard underneath the layer so you don't glue the layers of the dress together. You can see the flower and leaf details underneath that tool. Looks so beautiful with that sheer behind it. The off the shoulder top. That slit, show a little leg. Yes. Look at this dress. Obsessed. I cannot wait to try this on. We gotta go try this on. Let's go. That's it, y'all. Just some flower power for a huge transformation and on a budget. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. Thank you so much if you're already subscribed, and if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.